This is Nathan Cruz, and in this short video, I'm going to demonstrate my new Photo Mapper server version application. Server version meaning that we have a directory for our project that's stored on the server, and we're going to be able to drag and drop photos onto this map, whether it's the 2D or the 3D map. And we're going to map these geospatially located photographs. So I'll pick a couple here, drag and drop, change my settings to image, and we've mapped our images in 2D, and we've also mapped them in 3D. So we can see this is actually Tokyo Bay. Where those photographs were taken. Now we can switch back to 2D and we can see the details on the icons. Again, the images here are stored in the back, and we can change our icon style. We also support drone projects, and I'll show that quickly. So I'll do I'll change my project to a drone demo. It's a pretty good set. I won't take them all and we'll copy these. I'm just dragging and dropping the drone photos from a sample data set from OpenDroneMap. See that it's loaded the drone images, and if I click on the drone images, you'll notice that they'll be rotated to match the underlying terrain. So these original photos were taken in the opposite direction. So you can see if we click on this drone, we're looking with this playing field to the left and the houses to the right, which is what we see when the drone is basically up here. Okay, so it handles these rotations. Here, this one makes it a little bit more obvious that it actually rotates the images in space, so that you get a very accurate representation of the orientation of your photos taken in drone projects. And basically, we can also view these images in 3D. So, just showing us where we were. Go back to the 2D map. We have the layers. We can switch to OpenStreetMaps. You can turn on or off your images. You can switch whether or not you show the thumbnails or the icon. Change the map name and so forth. And that is a quick demonstration of the Photo Mapper server version, where these files are uploaded to a backend server. The thumbnails and images are processed there, and then they're returned back to the client for rendering. Thanks for watching.